Why is it named Colossal, guys? Yeah, we might be cooked. Chat if I cause a black hole. I might cause a black hole to just appear. There it is. This one's a rocket. Whoa! Ooh! Pretty. Rain is falling down on the grass. Spark, 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 spark.
Yay!
Yep, alright, this one we might be cooked on. I think it was like Greatness Colossus. I'm actually scared for this one. Or I'm scared. Let's see what happens. Oh, nothing. Whoa! Why is on camera it look like straight up a beam of fire? On camera it looks like a stream of fire just coming out of a thing. That was scary. Alright, I think this one's like a great shower thing, guys, so I thought it was going on for an hour. What? Whoa. Straight on flamethrower. Dude, that was kind of cool. It's like a flamethrower.
Cool.
Flamethrower. Didn't it look like a flamethrower?
Mm-hmm.
By the way, Dad, you're on camera. This one's space, guys. It's on the logo had a black hole. A bunch of plants. It was like the company thing. Oh, this one's gonna be insane. That was it. Never say never. Oh my! Oh shit! Whoa! Our neighbors are gonna forgive us. Now we're gonna do 2 at once. Horrible.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. And then we're gonna do the lava one next.
I thought that was last.
Yeah, it's gonna be last. With the other one.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
Ooh. Whoa. Oh, it's coming out both.
The other one, I didn't think the other one lit me.
Oh.
Oh. Hold up. I'm gonna get a better experience with Dad.
Oh. Look at that.
Sorry, neighbors.
Hold on, stay there.
Why?
We'll come up here, actually.
Oh, let's see this. I think this one's the candy one. Dad, was this one the candy?
I think so.
Ooh. I want to be by Dad.
Why?
Oh, you got a good experience.
No.
Mm-hmm.
This one is going to be a space one in a volcano. This one's going to be sick. Just like our volcano video. Whoa. Whoa. Like shooting off all the
You know, if you're laying on the ground looking up at it, it's like awesome.
Mm.
Like, alright, this is it, buddy. Ready?
Oh! Last one, guys. It's a volcano. The best. Oh, that just burned itself. Volcano. Dun 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 dun. serious? That's it? Oh. Oh. Flamethrower, Dad. Oh, flamethrower. That was trash.
That was good. It was fine.
That was trash.
Oh, you're so.
Well, that kind of. Well, God.
I had a 2 for the mortar. I let it go.
Well, guys, that is
Take
it
a look and
for
see what I got.
today.
All right, look and see what I got.
Video. This was about to be 6 minutes. So, wow, very good video. So, bye, guys. Here's the guy that shot him off. Hold on. We're getting. All right, now we actually have a. All right. All right.
What's the video?
All right. This was the guy that shot off all the fireworks. My dad. You're already on camera. Don't block your face. And then this was the cameraman. And then I was just in the video.
Yep. Get off, pro.